All right, guard, how's it going? So we're going to go over rifle spins. So you've seen my rifle basics. We've done singles. Now we're going to do a double. Okay, we're eventually going to go to a triple, but all I want to do right now is to get you guys used to doing doubles. Okay, so we've all seen where we load up, right? And then we do our single. Boom. Okay, rule number one of guard. You drop a piece of equipment, you have to do that toss until you catch it again. Okay? There we go. Now, when you release your single, you're releasing from here. That's it. You're releasing pretty much shoulder height. When you release your double, you're going to be releasing up here. Okay? So your release is going to be kind of the bottom of your rifle is going to be kind of in line with the bottom of your nose. So your hand's going to be pretty much at your jawline, just like this. Okay? And you're going to count it 1 and 2 and. Now, we talked about this when we did our flag video with tosses. This is more than a single on a rifle, so your non-tossing hand is going to go touch your thigh. So it's going to be 1 and 2 and. And you're going to catch it right in the small and as close to the nose as you possibly can. All right, we're wearing black gloves, so hide the fact if you catch it a little short, but you want to try and catch it on the nose. Okay, you saw my hand went down again, right? 1 and 2. Okay, rule number 1 again. 1 and 2 and. Just like that. All right, remember, toss straight up. Don't toss over to one side or the other, or toss forward. Your arm goes straight up, shoulder straight up. The straighter you go up, the straighter your toss is going to be, and come down. Now, one thing I'm going to do right here is I'm going to tip this up a little bit because I want you to see what the rifle is actually doing as it's in the air. Okay? 1 and 2 and. So you notice 1 and 2. Okay. Rule number 1, everybody. 1 and 2 and. The 2 full rotations in the air. All right? This is something that you're going to be practicing a lot. Make sure you're wearing your gloves. Make sure you're wearing your gloves. This will bruise your hands until you get used to it if you're not wearing your gloves. All right? Have fun.